Molweni emakhaya.
Molweni emakhaya.
Molweni emakhaya. Silapha kumhlobo wenene namhlanje. Nosisi Lusanda ku 123 Polars.
Yeah, 123 Polars. And in case ngibhuje kwezimpendulo ndimele mna animelanga umhlobo wenene.
Apha kusekhaya elikude nasekhaya.
Afuna ukwazi.
Post disclaimer.
Yeah, disclaimer please.
Sinembuzo nje esifuna ukukubuza yona.
Okay. Mama.
Ukhule umamela radio station ephi?
Radio Transkei, and then yadibana yanga umhlobo wenene ngoku.
Give me 3 of your all-time favorite presenters.
Casey, the late Casey was umhlobo wenene. Remember him? Let me try and think. Oh, even if they're alive, Sizwe Dlomo, I love Sizwe Dlomo. Pat Komafan.
It's about to go down.
It's like, what
language do blind people speak?
What language do?
Blind people speak.
Whatever language they're born into. Their blindness is just in their eyes.
Next. Hey.
What does SABC stand for?
South African Broadcasting Corporation.
And what does Wi-Fi stand for?
Digital Wi-Fi stands for what? Wireless fiber. That sounds right.
Yeah,
that sounds right to me.
Wireless fiber.
Yeah, well, even if it's wrong, no one can judge me because it sounds right. It sounds like in the wireless fiber.
Wow. Back to Limpopo.
What is 99,000 plus 1?
99,001. So you only change the 1 at the very end. So it's 99,099,001.
eBhayibhelini ngeliphi lerasta elalwa nebhubezi lelwelo umfazi. And who betrayed Jesus Christ in the Bible?
Judas Iscariot.
I am sure of what I am saying.
Kubani captain yamabhokobhoko?
You? If I'm up to date, then ngusiyakolis. Yeah. Yeah.
Zingaki cents ku 1 rand?
100.
Okay. If you're in a race and you beat out number 2, what position are you in?
No. Number 2. Between number 2. So number 1 number 2.
We are cruising nicely.
If we call a person who sells flowers a florist, what do you call a person who sells fish?
Not a fisherman. Well, a fisherman lobers the fish. So now you're asking me about he's a fishery. Well, okay, the person who catches the fish is a fisherman.
Ah la la.
The place which sells the fish is a fishery. So
A person who sells fish.
So if florist bingena.
Babujisha.
It's either fisherman or fishery.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you call a person from Argentina?
An Argentinian. Yeah.
Ebudisini nebumnandini sinawe.
Culture ngesikhethu sethu.
#umkhanyo ngowakho kukhanya ba.